Hey, Ines here. Today video is dedicated to big event of this week is Money 2020. And it's for those who haven't had the chance to visit the event and within 7-10 minutes you would like to have a broad overview of the event. In fact, the organization Money 2020 being created in 2012 with the focus on the future finance. In the beginning, it was just for banks and financial services, but with the time it evolves and responded to the needs of the market, and now everyone from a fintech ecosystem being represented. It's been stages with banking, blockchains, cryptocurrency, regulatory security, artificial intelligence, and of course speech for startups. I think after making an overview of information, this should have a motto. The customer-centric is the key to commercial success, because it's been coming out one and another way from various sources. The talking point being conversational commerce, how to do online shopping, what is the way in the future we are going to do online shopping, how to provide the best user experience and make integrated experience for customers. The second point is about collaboration between banks and startups, and also collaboration between different startups in order to create new products with new business models and what would be a need for the society in the future. For me, the highlights from different companies and keynotes also connected to the motto, customer-centric. I've been surprised, for example, that Alipay considers themselves as a company who is solving the problem. I thought it's a tech company or maybe fintech payment company, what they state in internet, in Wikipedia. But in fact, they put customer problem in the first place. As a speech of CEO of ING Bank, Ralph, he said that empower people to stay a step ahead of on a life and a business. I fascinated, I puzzled for a minute. So they understood that bank is becoming an enabler for great life of the people, and if they succeed to provide a great user experience, they succeed in the business. And they're probably one of the brightest highlight of note speaker is Steve Wozniak, a co-founder of Apple. He was presenting his view about the future of money and the artificial intelligence. The few points which caught my attention, that digital gold is Bitcoin, and he wishes that Bitcoin become a single world currency in some point of time. And the second is about blockchain, and he compares blockchain to internet, and then at the end of 90s and 2000, beginning of 2000, we knew that internet is gonna completely change the way we live, but it did not change instantly, it took some time. That's why his estimation of changes coming with blockchain is about 10 to 15 years. I more than agree with him about the changes, but just my estimation is rather between 7 to 10 years. The next, let's say, announcement been done by Tencent, who actually been first time present in Europe on a stage. They say the owner of WeChat QR code, they want to make it globally, spread over. And Europe and the US is going to be prior location for their expansion. And if we are back to the stage of startup and pitches, it's been more than 1,000 applicants of who wanted to pitch. 200 been selected as the active startup for participation, and just 10 of them could have a chance to pitch. And the winner being one company, one startup from Scandinavia, Granhood. And actually they provide a simple experience, a simple solution for small businesses, home businesses actually. It's about creating a pension fund. It's a very good user experience in their platform, and it's integrated socially. So they got the first prize. And the last but not the least, my favorite part is the Money 2020 race. It started last year, and this year it continued being a bit bigger. So the point is that it been 5 participants or 5 teams. They had to reach from Istanbul to Amsterdam within 5 days using just one single payment method which they've been assigned to. And buy tickets, pay for their daily expenses. And it was really great to observe how the integrated payment methods are valid in different locations. So, which payment method it was on a spot? So, of course, cash, cryptocurrency, cards, mobile payment, and variables, meaning the Apple Watch and Ring. So, each of them had certain challenges and their interesting parts, but the winner was, in that case it was 2 winners, were cash and cards. So money, cash is the king in Europe still, which is not the case for Asia, because in Asia the winner being mobile payment. I would like to finish that we all live in modern world, but everyone has a different needs in that world. Stay tuned and see you soon.